Open.
Work. Hey! Get out from behind my cashier. Get. Go. Damn. Just trying to clock in, and I see you over here trying to steal money from the register.
I need to go get Owen. Owen! Bluey's here. Bluey's back.
Oh my god.
Bluey!
Hi, Owen.
I almost got hit.
No, I did not hit you.
On.
I just told you to get out of the register.
They were gonna hit me. Bluey!
I did not say I was gonna hit you.
Bluey!
They're very loud.
Bluey. Hi!
Ray's back.
Hi!
Oh, hi.
I missed
Hello,
you.
And no longer murderous.
No, okay. That was a little... Okay. Hi.
Mama Trinity's gone.
Your mama's not here today.
Oh.
But yeah, we have a new person that came back with Ray. Yeah, she's somewhere, but it's her name's Trinity the Tiger.
Yep.
Yeah. Trinity and Ray came from a location called Bamboo, I think.
Bamboo.
So that's where Ray's been.
Sounds like some food I would eat. Oh.
You're not wrong.
Huh?
Boop.
What?
What?
You live a gremlin? Did Trinity go to?
I don't know. I powered on and they weren't here.
Oh.
Never.
Please don't get close to me.
I'm so sorry.
It's okay.
Never.
You don't like people being too close to you or something?
Yeah.
That's understandable.
Have we ever found out what's in this room?
I don't think so.
No.
Ray.
Oh, there's an open the door. Okay.
What is that?
Portal.
What is that?
Portal.
Kind of blue.
Portal.
It's kind of
Portal?
Portal.
What?
Portal.
What do you mean portal?
Portal.
What?
Portal.
I don't want to be in here.
We can go to
places. Here anymore either.
It was pretty at first. Now I'm just leaving.
Go.
Yeah.
We can go places.
In there again.
We can go places.
Ray, I will be locking that door.
And I'll break
I will
it.
not be going in that portal.
I'll break the lock.
I feel like.
Owen, can you stop them from doing that?
I'll tell Ruby.
Oh, not Ruby. You don't want Ruby being told. Oh no.
But what are they trying to do?
They were trying to go to the portal.
That sounds like a dumb idea.
Yeah,
It
that's
is a
why.
very dumb idea.
You don't want Ruby finding out about the portal, do you, Ray?
Just go sit down and watch.
Actually, we can bring her to adventures with us.
No, we are not bringing Ruby to the portal.
I mean, we can also take
Does
Chase.
she even know that it exists?
I don't
Who's
think
Ruby
so.
again?
The manager.
The manager.
Oh, forgot that. Also, please.
What's up?
Hi, Mama
Trinity, there you are.
Trinity, you're back.
Hey! Get out there.
Oh no.
Hey, Trinity.
Yeah.
Oh, wait, Trinity, you haven't met this person
Bluey,
yet.
follow.
Bluey!
Bluey.
What?
We found Trinity.
Oh.
Here, you want Chinese? You want Chinese?
Hi.
Shiny.
Here, have Chinese.
Shiny.
This is kind of an awkward thing.
Yeah, have Chinese.
Yeah, she's new.
Yes,
Came here
Mama
a
Trinity.
few days ago, I think. Yeah.
What's up, Blue?
But yeah, Ray is still obsessed with shiny things.
How many times have they tried breaking into the cash register?
I tried to last night.
Get over here.
Ray, stop!
No.
I told you no.
No.
Oh my god. Why are you
Are you in my room?
No, don't go into the vents, They are in the vents.
Aye.
You'll never find me.
Yeah, they're in the vents.
Okay, I'm gonna just take all the shinies then.
Touch them, I break your hand.
Oh my god.
Oh my god! I thought you weren't murderous anymore. What the?
What happened?
I'm not.
Ray.
No, I won't. I
Where
love.
are
I
you?
care about you too much. I care about you too much.
Oh, there you go, sir.
Mm.
Ray.
Hmm?
You want shinies?
Shiny, shiny.
You get shinies. Where is it? Hey, give that to Ray.
Sorry.
I saw that. They get shinies.
Mine.
There you go. Truce.
Yeesh.
Don't go digging around in the register anymore.
We'll see. Anyway, you. They're tired. You. Please,
What?
please. I'm sorry for threatening, but please don't touch my shinies. I love my shinies. Please,
I can see that.
please, I'm sorry. Boop.
Go have more shinies. But
You don't want shinies? Shinies?
They booped me earlier as well.
There were shinies. Over there. Your mom has shinies.
Why do you like booping us?
Because they can.
Oh my god.
Because they can.
I need more. I need more. I need more. I need more to put them.
you need more.
I need more to put them. I can actually speak.
More shinies.
I'm gonna go check the office.
I have more shinies. Do you want more shinies?
Ray!
No, huh?
Shinies. Ray, shinies.
Yeah,
Shinies. Shinies. Look, shinies. There you go.
yeah,
Hey,
yeah.
Right.
What?
Ew, office time. Office.
Why are you going to the office?
No
we don't have the
reason.
office.
Which
No,
office are you going to? There's two.
This one.
No reason. However, my stock market's coming along.
What?
Nothing.
Oh,
Nothing.
Okay.
No.
I'm not
No.
Ray,
Ray, come here. Ray. Ray. Ray.
No.
Ray.
No.
Oh my god, Ray.
Ray. What did you say?
Ray, look.
Shiny.
Ray, look. Shiny.
Shiny. Shiny. Shiny.
More than someone with the shinies.
Shiny. Shiny.
Yeah, I think Bluey went to power rolls.
They did.
Mm.
Yeah.
I feel like this is a trap, but the shinies are too allurable. Give me!
Watching this go down.
I'm watching. I'm wondering how this is working.
Oh, did Ruby explain why you two are here?
Kinda.
Kinda.
Shiny. No! No! Not again! Not again! Not again! I don't want to be trapped!
You don't want shinies?
Follow the shiny. Follow the shiny light.
Oh, there's shinies. There's shinies waiting for you. You don't want shinies?
Follow the shiny.
Yeah. There you go. You get
He
shinies.
touched it.
You don't like shinies?
Mine. Mine.
No,
Mine.
that was nothing.
Mine. I don't want to be trapped in there again.
I'll let you dig in the register. If you go in there.
I feel like it's a trap. But anyway.
It's not a trap.
No.
Anyway, don't
No.
worry. Don't worry about what I said. Don't worry about what I said.
Hey, no. Well, now I'm not letting you dig in the register.
You weren't going to anyway.
I was gonna give you at least $1.
At least $1.
At least. Just at least.
On the computer screen, or did they close the
I
tab?
closed it out.
Oh, hold on. Let me bring up the history.
It'll be in the history.
Oh, there it is.
No.
Yep. Yep, I got you now, you little sneaker.
Please talk, Mike.
Stock market.
Damn stock market.
Ray, you've only been here for a few days. How?
I played the
You
fifth.
probably ran
I
up
played the
at
fifth.
the old spot.
I played the
What do you mean you played the fifth, son?
I played the
Where's that from? What the heck?
Lee.
Who in the world is Lee?
Lee.
Who's Lee?
Lee the Lima.
No.
Okay, I'm gonna guess that's an old friend.
Blah, 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 blah.
And apparently from Trudy's response, she's not surprised that Lee did that.
I'm not. I honestly.
Oh, and Blue is gone.
Yeah.
They went to the vents.
I'm not surprised.
Blah, 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 blah.
Where are you going?
Why are you always rented out so much?
I'm gonna go home. Fuck this shit.
Chase!
No, I'm going home.
Yay!
Bye.
Your shift isn't over.
I don't give a shit.
This is why Ruby doesn't like you.
Oh, Ruby loves me. I'm like her only employee.
You don't even... No, that's not true.
It is. It's very true. Your animatronics
I'll
get
just
you
write
shit.
down that they're leaving.
Besides, I need to go on my lunch break.
Ruby...
Pompous bastard.
Last time I checked, people don't leave the actual building when they go on their lunch break. They just go in the break room.
Pompous bastard.
Yeah, no one likes Chase.
He's threatens to hit me.
Chase is already in trouble with Ruby.
Anyway, I'm gonna go find a place to put these. Actually, no, Cuddles, you, Cuddles,
Okay.
Cuddles, hee hee hee.